In this quick video, I'll show you how to buy Bobo Coin step by step. So the first step is to go to app.uniswap.org, then connect your wallet. And as you can see, I have already connected my MetaMask wallet. Then go to coinmarketcap.com and on the search bar, type down Bobo Coin or Bobo. Scroll down on the left side and you will see the contract address. Just copy this and go to your MetaMask wallet. And if you don't have a Bobo coin yet in your MetaMask wallet, you can just scroll down and click import tokens. Click custom token, then paste the address here and click add custom token. Click here and now you have a Bobo coin in your MetaMask wallet. Then let's go back to app.uniswap.org and then click here. So make sure that you're also using Ethereum network and select a token you want to swap, for example Ethereum. Click here and paste the address here. Click here, and type down the amount of Ethereum you want to swap. For example, 1 Ethereum. Then you will receive this amount of Bobo coin in your MetaMask wallet. Then you will receive this amount of Bobo coin. Now once you have typed down the amount of Ethereum you want to swap, click here and a confirmation from MetaMask will pop up. So make sure that you leave enough Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet to pay for the gas fee. Now once you have paid for the gas fee, wait for the transaction to be completed and go back again to your MetaMask wallet. Check if you have received the Bobo coin in your MetaMask wallet. If you have any questions about how to buy Bobo coin, leave a comment below.